So what do you think? Did I get it done? Yes, I did. And I might have carried on a little bit more because once I started, I just couldn't stop. Now in this area, there's a few plants that have died. There's a few plants that are just really miserable and I'm not happy with them anymore. And this weed that I'm pulling out, it's actually dichondra repens or kidney weed. It's not technically a weed in my area. It's actually a native. But in this garden bed, it has grown so thick and so dense that it's actually going to be really hard to improve the soil and plant new plants into this space if I leave it all there. So I'm taking out big chunks of it. You can see it kind of comes off in sheets. And don't worry, I left all the beautiful worms that I found in the soil. And look, it will grow back in patches. There's no way I'm going to get rid of it all completely. Of course, while I am here, I'm giving the other plants that I am going to keep a good tidy up as well. And oh my God, look, t-shirt weather, people. I can't tell you how good it felt to be out in the sunshine with the sun on my back doing some gardening. This one clearly approves of the new dirt patch. And yeah, there we go. It's completely tidied up and ready for new plants now. So tomorrow I'm going to come through with a garden fork and just jab at the soil, put down some compost, put down some manures, and then it'll be time for plant shopping.